Good day and welcome to today's class. Today's class is a continuation of our previous classes on percentages. In today's class, we shall be looking at how to change percentages to fractions and to decimals. At the previous class, we have looked at how to convert fractions and decimals to percentages. In today's class, we shall be looking at changing percentages back to fractions and decimals. So we shall first of all look at how to change percentages to fractions. To change a percentage to a fraction, we express the percentage as a fraction with 100 as denominator and reduce the fraction to its lowest term. Already we have defined percentage as a fraction with 100 as its denominator. Example 1 says we should change 25% to fraction. 25% ordinarily, like we have said in the previous class, means 25 over 100. So in order for you to change this to a fraction, all you need to do is to divide 25 by 100 and then reduce it to its lowest term. So this is said to be solution 25% is equal to 25 divided by 100. These have been expressed as a fraction. All you need to do now is to reduce this fraction to its lowest term. It is advisable that when solving mathematics, you always leave your answers in the simplest expression. So I'm going to look for a factor that can divide 25 and 100, and 5 is the least factor. So 5 into 25 is 5. 5 into 100 is 20. This is equal to 5 divided by 20. But something can still go. There is a factor that can still divide. 5 can still divide. 5 into itself is 1. 5 into 20 is 4. So 25% as a fraction is said to be equal to 1 over 4. You can refer to this as 1/4. Let's take another example. Example 2, that we are to change 60% to a fraction. And just like we did in the previous example, 60% is said to be equal to 60 divided by 100. All you need to do now is to reduce it to its lowest term. I know that 10 can divide 60 and 100, giving me 6 over 10. And I can still reduce 6 over 10 to its lowest term by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by a common factor, which is 2. 2 into 6 is 3. 2 into 10 is 5. So 6% is equivalent to 3 over 5 as fraction. Kindly like my videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You're also advised to share the links with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take exercises on changing percentages to fractions. Exercises on changing percentages to fractions. We are asked to change to fractions in its lowest term. So you have 2 steps to take in changing this to fractions. All you need to do is to express 5% as a ratio of 5 over 100 and then reduce it to its lowest term. So this is equal to 5 divided by 100. Once you have gotten to this stage, you then look for a factor that can divide 5 and 100. For you know that 5 can divide both itself and 100. So 5 into itself is 1. 5 into 10 is 2. 5 into 0 is 0. So 5% is equivalent to 1 over 20. Example 2, 10%. 10% is equal to 10 divided by 100, and 10 can divide both itself and 100, leaving us with 1 divided by 10. So 10% is said to be 1 over 10. Question 3, we have 20%. 20% is equal to 20 divided by 100, and 10 can divide, giving us 2 over 10. 2 can still divide into itself and 10, leaving us with 1 over 5. So 20% is equivalent to 1 over 5. 45% is equal to 45 divided by 100. 5 can divide both 45 and 100. 5 into 45 is 9 times, and 5 into 100 is 20, giving us 9 over 20. Now, there's no common factor between 9 and 20, so this is our final expression. Question 5, 65% is equal to 65 divided by 100. 5 can divide. 5 into 6 is 1, remainder 1. This becomes 15. 5 into 15 is 3. Divide by 5 into 10 is 2, into 0 is 0. There's no common factor between 13 and 20, so this is your answer. Question 6, 80% is equal to 80 divided by 100. 10 can divide, giving us 8 over 10. 2 can still divide. 2 into 8 is 4. 2 into 10 is 5. And there's no other factor that can divide 5 over 5, 4 over 5. And so this is your answer. Question 7, we have 25%. 25% is equivalent to 25 divided by 100. Reducing it to its lowest term, 25 can go. 25 into itself is 1. 25 into 100 is 4. This is equivalent to 1 over 4. 36% is equal to 36 divided by 100. And what can divide? You can use the simplest. 2 can divide. 2 into 3 is 1, remainder 1. This becomes 16. 2 into 16 is 8. Divide by 2 into 10 is 2. 2 into 0 is 0. Something can still divide 18 and 20. 2 can go. 2 into 18 is 9. 2 into 10, 2 into 20 is 10. So our answer is said to be 9 divided by 10. And there's no other factor that can divide 9 over 10. 2% is equal to 2 divided by 100. And 2 can divide both itself and 100, leaving us with 1 over 50 as our answer. Question 10, 60% is equal to 60 divided by 100, which is equal to 10 can divide 6 over 10, and 2 can also divide 3 and 5. So our answer is said to be 3 over 5. Question 11, 33% is equal to 33 divided by 100. There's no common factor that can divide 33 and 100, so this is its lowest term. I'm going to leave question number 12 for you to solve as an exercise. All you need to do is to express it as a fraction and then reduce it to its lowest term. Kindly like our videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You can also share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take more examples on complex percentages being converted to fractions.